Students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institutions KSET online classes. Today we discuss the chapter sets, relations, functions. So see the first question. If a set has n elements, then the total number of subsets of A is option A n, option B n square, option C 2 power n, option D 2n. So this is the standard result. So number of subsets of A is 2 power n. For example, if you take A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, then number of subsets, total number of subsets is equal to 2 power n equal to 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is nothing but 16. So next, so that's why option is C. Next problem. If A equal to ABC, B equal to BCD and C equal to ACD, then A minus B cross B intersection C equal to what? Option A comma B, C comma D. Option B, A comma C, A comma D. Option C, A comma C, A comma D, B comma D. Option D, C comma A, B comma E. So first calculate the first A minus B value. How to calculate A minus B value? A minus B, common elements removed. Common elements removed. After that, write the remaining elements of the first set A. So if you do like that, A minus B equal to what? A, B, C minus B, C, D. Common elements cancel, B, C, B, C cancel. What is the remaining element in the first set? A only. That's why A minus B equal to A. Next, B intersection C. B intersection C, how to calculate? In BC common elements. BC common elements. So B intersection C. BC common elements are C comma D. Next to do A minus B cross B intersection C. So A cross of C comma D is nothing but A comma C, A comma D. A comma C, A comma D. So option B is the correct option. Next, let R equal to relation given 1 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1. Be a relation on the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the relation R is option A not symmetric, option B transitive, option C function, option D reflection. Suppose you have to take the any set defined, any relation defined on the set A. Reflexive means A comma A belongs to R. Reflection, same elements. A comma A belongs to R is a reflection. Satisfy this condition. Symmetric means suppose if you take A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A also belongs to R. This is called symmetric relation. Next, transitive. How to say transitive? If you take A comma B belongs to R, next to B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C, then A comma C belongs to R. If this satisfied, this is transitive relation. If this satisfies both all conditions, reflexive, symmetric, transitive, at that time that is called equivalence relation. So here see this relation. Clearly this is not reflective because of relation dependent on the set A. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the given set 1 comma 1 not given, 2 comma 2 not given, 3 comma 3 not given, 4 comma 4 not given. That's why this is not reflective. Not satisfied reflection condition. So next, transitive condition verified. This is not also transitive because of if you take 1 comma 3 comma 3 comma 1 belongs to R. 1 comma 3 given, 3 comma 1 given. But 1 comma 1 is not given in this given relation. 1 comma 1 not given. So that's why this is not transitive. Next, to check the symmetric. Suppose if you take 2 comma 3. Suppose if you take 2 comma 3. So 3 comma 2 is not given. So if you take 2 comma 3 belongs to R, 3 comma 2 is not belongs to R. That's why it is not symmetric. So that's why option A. Option A is the right option. Next problem. If the function f of x equal to cos square x plus cos square of pi by 3 plus x minus cos x into cos of pi by 3 plus x is constant. Constant means independent of x. Then the value of this constant is. So find out that constant value. Option A 0, option B 3 by 4, option C 1, option D 4 by 3. First take the given function f of x. So substitute values, put x equal to 0 in the function. What you get? Cos 0 is 1. Here 0 means cos square of pi by 3. Generally cos 60 is 1. Cos 60 1 by 2. So cos square 60 is 1 by 4. Minus. Here cos 0 is 1 into. Here cos 60 is 1 by 2. So this value is nothing but 3 by 4. Next, x equal to pi by 6 substitute. So f of pi by 6 equal to cos square of 30 equal to 3 by 4. That means cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That's why whole square is 3 by 4. Here 60 plus 30 is 90. Cos 90 is 0. Next here also 60 plus 30 is 90. That's why this is also 0. So final value is 3 by 4. So if you substitute x equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 6, 30 degrees, in the both cases you get 3 by 4 only commonly. That's why the required constant is 3 by 4. So option B. Next follow. If the real valued function f of x equal to a power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1 is even, then n equal to what? Option A 2, option B 2 by 3, option C 1 by 4, option D minus 1 by 3. So take the given function first. So here given condition f of x is a even function. F of x is even means if you take x in the place of x replace it by minus x, you again you get same positive x only. That means f of minus x equal to f of x. F of minus x equal to f of x. So substitute here in the f of x replaced by minus x. So a power minus x minus 1 by minus x power n into a power minus x plus 1 equal to f of x only take a power x minus 1 by x power n into a power x plus 1. Next a power minus x can be written as a power minus x can be written as 1 by a power x. That's why if you take here LCM 1 by a power x minus 1, how to write? This is nothing but 1 minus a power x by a power x. In the denominator also same. That's why denominator LCM a power x cancel. Remaining you get 1 minus a power x by 1 plus a power x. Here minus x power n can be written as minus 1 power n into x power n. Here x power n cancel. 1 plus a power x, 1 plus a power x also cancel on both sides. Next this denominator minus 1 power n, bring this side. So a power x minus 1 into minus 1 power n. From this equation minus common. So minus of a power x minus 1. Here a power x minus 1, a power x minus 1 cancel. What next? Minus 1 equal to minus 1 power n. Both sides multiplied by minus 1. At that time what you get? This side minus 1 into minus 1 is 1 equal to minus 1 power n into minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 power n plus 1. Now verify the options by substituting in values. If you take n equal to minus 3 only, at that time only you get minus 1 power minus 1 by 3 plus 1 is nothing but minus 1 power 2 by 3 equal to plus 1. At that time only LHS equal to RHS satisfied. So that's why option D is the right option. Next problem. If f mapping from R to R is defined by f of x equal to x cube, then f inverse of 8 equal to what? Option A 2 comma 2 omega comma 2 omega square. Option B set of 2 only. Option C 2 comma 2 set. Option D 2 comma minus 2. We have what is the given function f of x equal to x cube. So we have to find out f inverse of 8. So f inverse of 8 equal to, if you take x, f of x equal to 8. But f of x equal to what? X cube. So x cube equal to 8. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So that's why x value is 2. So B is the right option. Next, f mapping from R to R. Here domain is R, codomain is also R. Is defined by f of x equal to mod x. Then option A f inverse of x equal to 1 by mod x. Option B f inverse of x equal to minus x. Option C f inverse of x equal to 1 by x. Option D f inverse of x does not exist. So here function is f of x equal to mod x. So options all are belongs to f inverse only. For the given function inverse is exist only when the given function is bijective only. Bijective means compulsory satisfies the 1 1 and onto conditions. 1 1 and onto conditions. So that's why first you can verify 1 1 and onto conditions. What about 1 1? F of x equal to step x given. So clearly the given function is not 1 1. Why? Because suppose if you take in the domain is R, codomain is also R. Suppose if you take element is minus 2 element. So step of minus 2 is also 2. That's why minus 2 related with 2. Next to take positive 2. So f of 2 equal to what? Mod 2. Mod 2 also 2 only. That means to take 2 also related to 2 only. So according to 1 definition, this condition is failed. Okay na? So that's why the given function mod x is not 1 1. So that's why inverse is not exist. So option is B. Next, 8th one. R is relation on n, relation on natural numbers only, given by r equal to x comma y such that 4x plus 3y equal to 20. If you take x comma y values, satisfy that relation 4x plus 3y equal to 20. Which of the following is belongs to R? Option A 5 comma 0, option B minus 4 comma 12, option C 2 comma 4, option D 3 comma 4. You had to select the x comma y values belongs to satisfy the condition 4x plus 3y equal to 20. Just to verify the options only to satisfy this relation. So if you take 2 comma 4, if you take 2 comma 4 only, x value is 2, y value is 4. Substitute this relation, what you get? 4 into 2 plus 3 into 4 equal to 20. So 8 plus 12 equal to 20. 20 equal to 20. LHS equal to RHS satisfied. So that's why you can take x comma y values are 2 comma 4 only. So option is C. Next, define a relation R on the set 1, 2, 3, 4 as x relation y. X relation y given like this. If x divides y, then R is. So what is the relation here? X divides y. R is what? Reflexive, transitive, reflexive, symmetric, transitive and equivalence. Which condition is satisfied? Given relation is x divides y. Always one number is divides itself. So 1 divides 1, 1 divides 1, 2 divides 2, 3 divides 3, 4 divides 4. One number is divided itself only. So that means clearly reflexive. Next, symmetric, reflexive compulsory, symmetric. Suppose if you take 1 comma 2, 1 divides 2 possible, but 2 divides 1 is not possible. This is not possible. That's why this is not symmetric. Next, transitive. Suppose if you take 1 comma 2 belongs to R. So 1 divides 2. This is okay. Next, you take 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 belongs to R. So 2 divides 4 is possible. Transitive. What is transitive condition? If you take A comma B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C is belongs to R. This is transitive relation. So we have taken 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 4 belongs to R, then 1 comma 4 belongs to R. This is also satisfied. 1 divides 4 also possible. So transitive also satisfied. So here how many conditions satisfied? Reflexive satisfied, transitive satisfied, symmetric is failed. So that's why clearly the relation is reflexive and transitive. Option A is the right option. The range of the function f of x equal to sine of step x. X range is minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, where step x denotes greatest integer less than or equal to x is. Option A 0 set, option B 0 comma minus 1 set of, option C set of 0 comma plus or minus sin 1, option D set of 0 comma minus sin 1. We have pi by 4 value is 0 point something, 1.85 less than 1 only. So that's why step of pi by 4 is 0. Suppose if you take x belongs to closed interval 0 comma open interval pi by 4, at that time what you get? Sine of step equal to sine 0. Sine 0 is 0 only. So next, suppose if you take again open interval minus pi by 4 to 0. So this is negative interval. In the case of negative interval, 0 minus 0 point something step is minus 1 only. That's why in this case sine of step x equal to minus sine 1. So that's why range is 0 and minus sine 1. So option D is the correct answer. Next problem. On the set of integers z, define f mapping from z to z as f of n equal to n by 2, comma n is even, 0 if n is odd. Then f is option A surjective but not injective. Surjective means onto, injective means 1 1. So option A surjective but not injective. Option B bijective. Option C injective but not surjective. Option D neither injective nor surjective. First verify 1 1 condition, injective condition. So here what is the given function depends. If any is even number you get n by 2. If any is odd number you get 0 only. So if you take f of 3, 3 is the odd number. So if n value is 3, 3 is the odd number, what you get 0 only. So f of 3 equal 0. Similarly odd number again odd number 5 take f of 5 equal to 0. So here domain is z, codomain also z only. So if you take 3 and 5, so related with 0 only. 3 also related with 0, 5 also related with 0. So actually according to 1 1 definition, different elements in A mapped with different elements in B. But here both elements mapped with 0 only. That's why this is not 1 1. Not 1 1. That's why. Next verify surjective. That means onto condition. This is clearly onto. How to say onto? Codomain equal to range. Suppose if you take the domain is Z here, codomain is also Z. So here take 2, 4, 6 numbers like that. Next to 3, 5 also. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 like that you can take. So first here what is the given condition? For odd numbers 0 mapped with 3 mapped with 0, 5 also mapped with 0. Next for even numbers, if you take n is even, so 2 is a even number, n by 2 is 2 by 2 is 1, so that's why 2 mapped with 1, 4 mapped with 2, 6 mapped with 3. So that's why in the codomain every element has a relation with the domain. So that's why codomain equal to range here. Codomain equal to range. That's why this is onto clearly. So that's why what you say, the given function is surjective but not injective. Option A is the right option. Next, let's f mapping from r minus 3 by 5 to r. Here domain is r minus 3 by 5. Codomain is r. Be defined by f of x equal to 3x plus 2 by 5x minus 3. Then option A, f inverse of x equal to f of x. Option B, f inverse of x equal to minus f of x. Option C, f circle f of x equal to minus x. Option D, f inverse of x equal to 1 by 19 of f of x. First take the given function f of x. If you take f of x equal to y, then x equal to f inverse of y. So that's why. So the given function in the place of f of x substitute y. So y equal to 3x plus 2 by 5x minus 3. So this denominator multiply here. What you get? 5xy minus 3y equal to 3x plus 2. So 5xy minus 3x equal to 3y bring this side, 3y plus 2. From these two terms x common. So 5y minus 3 equal to 3y plus 2. So x equal to what? 3y plus 2 by 5y minus 3. Actually x is nothing but f inverse of y. So f inverse of y substitute here. So this is the inverse function. So if you replace it by y replaced by x, what you get? F inverse of x equal to 3x plus 2 by 5x minus 3. This is nothing but a given function only. So that's why f inverse of x equal to f of x only. So option is A. Next problem. Let f mapping from closed interval 0, 1 to closed interval 0, 1. Domain codomain same, closed interval 0, 1. Be defined f of x equal to x if x is a rational number, 1 minus x if x is a irrational number. So then f circle f of x calculate. Option A constant, option B 1 plus x, option C x, option D none of these. So first if x is rational, what is the condition? F of x equal to x. So calculate f circle f of x. F circle f of x is nothing but f of x. Here what is the internal function? F of x. F of x value is what? X. Substitute here f of x. Actually f of x also x only. That's why you get x only. So clearly finally what? F circle f of x equal to x only. In the case of x is a rational number. Next, if the x is irrational number, if x is at that time the function is defined f of x equal to 1 minus x. So if x is irrational, so again calculate f circle f of x. F circle f of x equal to f of x is nothing but f of, what is f of x value in this case? 1 minus x. Substitute 1 minus x. Again, what is f of x here? 1 minus x. So in this place of x, substitute 1 minus x. So 1 minus of 1 minus x. Here 1 cancel, you getting x. So in this case also, in the second case, irrational case also, you get f circle f of x equal to x only. So in the both cases, you getting f circle f of x equal to x. Final conclude answer, option is C. Let f mapping from N to R. Here domain is natural numbers, range is real number. Be the function defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1 by 2 and g mapping from Q to R. Be another function defined by g of x equal to x plus 2. Then g circle f of 3 by 2 is option A 1, option B 0, option C 7 by 2, option D none of these. Here what is the first function defined? F mapping from N to R. Domain is natural numbers here. Defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1 by 2. Calculating what? G circle f of 3 by 2. This is nothing but g of f of 3 by 2. Here x value is 3 by 2. So x value 3 by 2 is not a natural number. 3 by 2 is not a natural number. That's why f of 3 by 2 is not defined. For 3 by 2 is not belongs to here. So that's why answer is none of these. Let f mapping from R to R be defined by f of x equal to 2x if x greater than 3, x square if 1 less than x less than or equal to 3, 3x if x less than or equal to 1. Then calculate f of minus 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 4. Option A 9, option B 14, option C 5, option D none. So for calculating f of minus 1, x equal to minus 1 means belongs to this one. So 3x. 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. Next calculate f of 2. So 2 belongs to here, 1 less than x less than or equal to 3. So 2 square equal to 4. Next f of 4. So x greater than 3. In this case f of x equal to 2x. So 2 into 4 equal to 8. Add these three values. Minus 3 plus 4 plus 8 equal to 9. So option is A. Next column. F mapping from R to R be given by f of x equal to tan x. Then f inverse of 1 equal to what? Option A pi by 4, option B n pi plus pi by 4 comma n belongs to z. Option C does not exist, option D none of these. So given function f of x equal to tan x. So find out f inverse of 1. To finding f inverse of 1, take this is equal to x. So you get f of x equal to 1. So what is f of x function? Tan x. So tan x equal to 1. So you can write 1 equal to tan pi by 4. Tan x equal to tan pi by 4. What is the general solution of the tan x? N pi plus alpha, where alpha belongs to z. So that's why you can write here x equal to n pi plus. Here alpha value angle is pi by 4. So n pi plus pi by 4. N belongs to z. So option is B. The domain of the function f of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus x minus 6. Option A r minus of 3 comma minus 2. Option B r minus of minus 3 comma 2. Option C r minus of closed bracket 3 comma minus 2. Option D r minus open interval 3 comma minus 2. This is closed interval of 3 comma minus 2. Here open interval of 3 comma minus 2. First take the given function. Take the given function. Denominator can be written as x minus 3 into x plus 2. Generally every polynomial is belongs to R. So in the numerator is polynomial x square plus 2x plus 1 belongs to R. Denominator is compulsory not equal to 0. So denominator is not equal to 0 means x minus 3 into x plus 2 not equal to 0. X minus 3 not equal to 0 or x plus 2 not equal to 0. So x is not equal to 3, x is not equal to minus 2. That's why from the domain from the real number system R, you can remove the 3 and minus 2. So that's why domain is R minus of 3 comma minus 2. So option is A. 3 comma minus 2 removed. Next, S equal to set of points inside the square. T set of points inside the triangle. C set of points inside the circle. So if the triangle and circle intersect each other and are contained in a square. Option A, S intersection T intersection C equal to pi. Option B, S union T union C equal to C. Option C, S union T union C equal to S. Option D, S union T equal to S intersection C. So here given in this square, triangle and circle are intersecting. So circle and triangle inside the square only. So C, T, S. So that's why clearly T subset S, C also subset S. That's why union of all is equal to S only. S union T union C equal to S only. That's why option is C. Next, if sets A and B are defined as, what is the first one? A set x comma y such that y equal to 1 by x. X is not equal to 0, belongs to 1. Next, B, x comma y such that y equal to minus x, x belongs to 1. Then option A intersection B equal to A. Option B, intersection B equal to B. Option C, A intersection B equal to pi. Option D, A union B equal to A. First take the diagram. X axis, y axis. So what is the first one? Y equal to 1 by x is a curve. Y equal to 1 by x is nothing but x into y equal to 1. This is a curve like this. Next, y equal to minus x. This is the line passing through the origin. The line passing through the origin having slope 1, so like this, passing through second and fourth quadrant. If y equal to x, passing like this, y equal to minus x, passing like this. So here there is no common elements, no common area. So that's why clearly first curve intersection, second curve is empty. So that's why intersection B equal to pi. If you take points pi also, what is the first one? X comma y is the point. So x comma y equal to what? 1 by x. So x comma 1 by x equal to, what is the second one? X comma y is nothing but x comma y equal to minus x, x comma minus x. So x coordinate is same. So y coordinates, if you equate y coordinates, 1 by x equal to minus x, x square equal to minus 1. This is not possible. X square equal to negative is not possible. So this is false. So that's why option C is the correct answer. A intersection B equal to pi. Next problem. If step x whole square minus 5 into step x plus 6 equal to 0, where step x denotes the greatest integer function, then option A, x belongs to closed interval 3 comma 4. Option B, x belongs to closed interval 2 comma 3. Option C, x belongs to closed interval 2 open interval 3. This is closed to open 3. Option D, x belongs to closed interval 2 open interval 4. We have step x whole square minus 5 into step x plus 6 equal to 0. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 into 3 is 6. So factorization, step x minus 3 into step x minus 2 equal to 0. So step x equal to 3 or step x equal to 2. Step x equal to 3 means you get 3 less than or equal to x less than 4. Because of step x value always equal to n. If n is less than or equal to x less than n plus 1, take least value only. So here step x equal to 2 means 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. So here what is x belongs to? Here 2 less than or equal to x. That means closed interval 2 to last is less than 4. That means open interval 4. So x belongs to closed interval 2 open 4. So option D. Next, range of f of x equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 cos x is option A, closed interval 1 by 3 comma 1. Option B, minus 1 comma 1 by 3 closed. Option C, open minus infinity to minus 1. Union of closed 1 by 3 to infinity open. Option D, minus 1 by 3 comma 1 closed interval. So find out the range for the given function f of x. So generally cos x range is minus 1 to 1. So by using that relation you have to find out the 1 minus cos 2x value. 1 minus 2 into cos x. You have to find out 1 minus 2 into cos x value. So first minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1. So 2 multiply on both sides. Minus 2 is less than or equal to 2 into cos x less than or equal to 2. So next minus apply. What you get similarly, minus 2 is less than or equal to minus 2 cos x less than or equal to 2 only. Next, you want 1 minus 2 into cos x. So 1 adding on both sides. 1 add on both sides. Every term add by 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to 1 minus 2 cos x less than or equal to 3. So now first take this relation. 1 minus 2 cos x greater than or equal to minus 1. So we need 1 by. So if you numerator denominator change, this symbol also change. Greater than or equal to change to less than or equal to. So 1 by 1 minus 2 cos x less than or equal to minus 1. Therefore f of x is less than or equal to minus 1. Next, you take this relation. 1 minus 2 cos x is less than or equal to 3. So if you take 1 by 1 minus 2 cos x greater than or equal to 1 by 3. If numerator denominator interchange, less than or equal to change into greater than or equal to. So f of x is clearly greater than or equal to 1 by 3. So how to write the range? First condition, f of x is less than or equal to minus 1. So less than or equal to minus 1 up to minus infinity to minus 1. So minus infinity to minus 1. Here less than or equal to, so you can take here closed. Next condition, f of x is greater than or equal to 1 by 3. f of x value starting onwards 1 by 3 onwards and above values. So you can take closed interval 1 by 3 to open interval infinity. So what is the range?